Hello everyone, my name is Saf. You're watching Rayon Tech TV, and in this video we'll be discussing upon the topic what is the right time to switch your Appian job. So let's divide this topic into two parts. First is a person who is having some sort of Appian experience and the person who is having no Appian experience at all. So let's dive deep into the subtopic that a person who is having no Appian experience at all, how can he switch in Appian? So technically, uh, a person who is having one or less than 1 year of experience is no experience according to me, because whenever you are joining any organization, whether you are a fresher or whether you are an experienced employee working in XYZ technology and then you moved into Appian. So now if you are joining Appian as a technology and you just had 6 to 8 months or 10 months of experience and now you're planning for a switch, definitely it might not be fruitful for you. And I think you need to wait for the if your organization is capable to give you the project and you are in a position to see the life cycle of the project, I recommend you to stay in the organization and understand the technical deployment of the project, end-to-end deployment, and gain more experience, gain more insights. So the next person is the one who is having Appian experience. Now let's talk about those people who are actually having more than 1 year of experience. There are two subtype of people who are having more than 1 year of Appian experience. That is support experience and development experience. So a person who is having development experience is capable to make a switch depending upon the exposure he or she had in the project, in the organization. If it is a developer role, so the person can make a switch anytime after 2 to 3 years. Like 2 to 3 years, it depends, how much you were into the inclusion of the team and how much you participated in technical task and everything. So 2 to 3 years is fine for you to make your first switch after getting experience. Next, the person who is having support experience, like 1.5 years of support experience, 1 year of support experience, or XYZ years of support experience, but that person is not confident or capable enough to uh, handle the actual development. So for that, I recommend whatever will be the number for the person who is having development experience, it will be twice for you. So a person who is making the switch after 2 years as an Appian developer, for you it is 4 years, because there are a lot of support people who are not ready to work hard. So either you have two choices: either start working as an Appian developer, side by side, create your own POCs, develop your projects, or increase the number of incidents, solve more incidents, take ownership of tickets and everything. So now the support guy questions is answered. The experienced people can make a switch for starting from 2 to 3 years, and going forward they can take their switch based upon their own career choices. And the person who are freshers, please don't say that you are 1 year of experience. Honestly speaking, 1 year of experience is not an experience, because you are doing all the documentation stuff. You just move to an organization and they are giving you some security courses, so 6 to 8 months will go just like a breeze. So don't consider that as an experience. And try to be this is just a general tip for me, for all the level of experience for Appian. Try to be a part of the team where you can see all the areas of the development life cycle, whether it is the initiate phase and whatever the areas that you are building, all the documentation stuff. Try your best to contribute. Everybody has shortcomings, including me. I'm not a perfect man. Everybody has shortcomings, and I also try to work on my shortcomings as much as I can, and try to brush up your skills and try to work on the areas which you require to work, and just make the transition. Now there is another question: will recession affect the job market in Appian? No, the recession will not affect the job market, because see, the person who are getting long-term projects, their team is persisting. And can you make a switch right now? Yes, you can make the switch right now, because there are plenty of jobs and there are multiple companies who are hiring, and there are multiple type of job types available. For example, contractual roles and work from home, full-time work from home and work from office and hybrid. So it depends on your choice and your preference. How do you want to make the move? There is no sort of a person who is capable and confident enough to work in any team structure in any organization can work at any point of time, right? Can work at any point of situation, in any point of situation. That person will not think of, oh my god, there is a recession, oh my god, there is not a recession, now I have to make a switch. So these factors are not like these factors will not contribute in the actual scenarios, because if you are capable enough to handle the situations in any like toxic environment of the company, if you are able to produce the work, then nobody will stop your salary and you will get what you deserve. And if you think that you are in a bucket where you know things on an average extent and you do not know things in a better way, so I would recommend you to stay in the organization and plan for your studies, move ahead with the life, you know go deeper into the topics and study. So that's all for the day. If you really like my honest advice, just give a thumbs up, subscribe, and share to those people who need it. Thank you.